y'all. No. Yeah. No, did we? Yeah, we did, I think. Yeah, because you were staring into the thing. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, Mississippi Girl Life. So we are back again with another Pepper's Pantry video. We not playing. Today is February 27, 2025 again, because we are doing this in the wee hours of the morning. Okay, it is 2 something in the morning or whatnot. I got the thing right here, a receipt for this stuff. So 2 something in the morning right now, and we are tired. We are tired. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video. So as you can see, peanuts, boiled peanuts. We love boiled peanuts. I do buy the raw bags of peanuts and cook them myself, but hey, adding this to them after they are done, like, I will have to cook this some, because if they don't be cooked to my liking, I like them to be softer, and then add them to what the raw ones that I cook and boil myself. That's the plan. But peanuts is a good source of protein. Okay, these cans was on sale for $2 at our local food line. Yep, $2. Regular price was $3.18, but I found them on sale for $2, and yes, again, I wiped them out. Okay, wiped them out. Somebody had already been there and got a lot of them. $2. So I ended up getting, you said shut your mouth, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 cans of the original ones. Okay, of the original, what's the ounce? 25-ounce cans for $2. Okay, they had started listing the amount of peanuts in them anyway, so
that's different.
What? Net weight.
14 ounces of peanuts in there.
Oh, that is different. It say net weight 25 ounces, and then it say DR weight.
Dry weight, I'm guessing.
14 ounces.
So that's 14 ounces of peanuts and
without the liquid.
Without it better.
They didn't. I don't remember them putting that on there.
Nope.
But that's what they did. That's what they did. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's what they did. So, okay. I'm glad they was $2. All right, okay. So, now I will get the hot and spicy ones like I did, because I can pour that juice off, and I know how to add like brown sugar or whatnot to it, and it'll cut that spiciness. I know what to do. All right, so I went on and got 2, 4, 6, 7 cans of the hot and spicy boiled ones too, and these are the peanut patch. They was $2 a can too, of course. So I went on and got all those. Yes, he said shut your mouth. And these are 25-ounce cans. Okay. What?
Best if used by 23 August 2027.
2027.
What?
August 2027. August 27, 2027. And this can go 10 years past that.
And we just starting 25.
And we just starting 25.
I'm trying to get 26 already.
It may be worse if you get 26. But yeah. So okay, so I got some of these Libby peaches, okay, in heavy serve for a reason. Let me tell y'all something. The light serve fruit give me indigestion. I don't know what it is about it. It be tangy and just I can pour this syrup off, rinse them off, and have them to my liking. Okay, so yes, I buy it in heavy syrup, because let me tell you something else. Get all your money worth. That heavy syrup, you can add a little water to it or whatnot, and have it not so thick, and you can use that as a syrup, as a sweetener.
Extremely fuzzy.
It probably is. Let's see. That camera be doing something crazy. Oh, it is fuzzy.
Can y'all see me?
Did it just get like that?
I don't know. I just having a look, and it's like now it's back.
Alright, y'all, the screen was doing something. It was all fuzzy. Y'all probably see it, because I'm not gonna edit that out. Is it straight?
Stop saying shush your mouth.
Because it started something. But like I was saying, you could use this syrup that's in here as a sweetener. Sweetener for Kool-Aid or something if you had to. Sweetener for pancakes or something. Don't throw it away. In an emergency situation, you want to use all your stuff that you can in a good way.
It'd be good on pancakes.
On pancakes, yeah. Now these are Libby's. I could have went to the Dollar Tree and got bigger little things on for $1.25. But I didn't do that because they stuff start being different. They're canned fruits, okay? To me, start tasting different. Now there were some peaches that I used to get from the Dollar Tree. Big cans, a little bigger than these peanut cans for $1.25. They was some sweet peaches. They was peach head. I love them. Then I stopped seeing them. So I said, you know what? I ain't got time for that. Because I go looking everywhere and then somebody came right on up and took these. So I said, let me go and get these while they was marked down for $2. Now regular price $2.39. I only say number 39 cents. But hey, a coin is a coin. So I went on and got some of these because fruit is something you're going to need. Some fruits is high in fiber and stuff. You're going to need that in an emergency situation, okay? So how many of these peaches
you don't want to be
get?
stocked up.
Yeah, you don't want to be constipated. You know. Did I say it like that, y'all? Look, y'all know how I just gonna keep it real. He tried to say it the night way. I just did it. Anyway, you don't want to be constipated, okay? So, how many of these I got? The peaches? 9 cans of peaches at $2 each, okay? And what's the expiration date on these? Even though it go past the expiration date a long time. But the expiration date is July 31st, 2026, okay?
2026?
Uh-huh. And then I only got, what, 3 cans of the fruit cocktail. And this is in pear juice from Concentrate, okay? I don't think I've had fruit cocktail in pear juice where it says in pear juice. It either be heavy syrup or light syrup. Expiration date on these are March 15th, 2026. Again, go past the expiration date. They are pull top, just like the peanuts, okay? Easy to open. But yeah, these are $2 too. If you on the East Coast and you go to Food Line, pay attention to some of the things. You will see like a lot of the fruits and they'll have only tabs in front of certain ones. Like you may have peaches, pears or whatnot, but it may only be the peaches and the fruit cocktail that's $2. The pears may not be. So make sure that you are reading and paying attention.
Pay attention because they will get you quick.
Yeah. So you gotta really pay attention.
They got me last week with them chicken.
What chicken?
They put the wrong bags. They had a sign saying a bag of
the wingettes
was $9.99.
The wingettes.
What's that? Them bags was $15.
$14.99, $15, and he didn't know. He was like, I'm not even. Cause normally he gonna go back in and get his.
I go back and get my money,
and
but I just was like, it ain't even work.
Nope. So got to make sure you are watching, okay? So I got 30 items here at $2. Everything was $2 each. So I paid $60. It was $61.20.
And these ones is averaging March 15th. 2026.
Yep, March 15th, 2026 for the fruit cocktail, but the peaches was July 31st, 2026.
But let me tell y'all about these fruit cocktails. They be playing. They know what fruit you want out of the fruit cocktail.
Cherry, and they only give you about 2 cherries.
2 daggone
because cherries are way more expensive than the other fruit. So you
put these big old peaches in here and pears in here and give me 2 little plump little cherries.
That's why we're gonna grow cherries.
I know. I have my own. But they be playing, y'all. They be playing.
Yeah.
Don't play with me, man.
They do, cause they know. Now you know they got the little fruit cup, the fruit cocktail cup.
I don't even waste my time.
But it's called cherry something. They got more of the cherries in there. And them little bitty cups, they do. They do.
I can see through them.
Yeah.
And it'd be one little cherry, and then it'd be like a half a cherry that's like in the middle to make
it simulated. You gotta get the cherry one. They be saying, you be seeing them. It be the cherry. It's a cherry melody or something.
It'd be a cherry medley, They left the cherry and gave you all the medley.
Oh, okay. Well,
I'm just saying.
$61.20 after tax is what I paid for this. And a lot of you may not understand why. You may be like, $60. Looking at protein. I'm looking at the shelf life of them. Being in a can, have long expiration date. All that you got to put in consideration, okay? Huh?
Barter.
He said barter. You can barter with people or something, you know, they may have something you need, and you may be able to barter a can or two or whatnot. So this is something I don't have to can at home. I don't have to do anything to this. It's already ready, and at $2 each, yes, I'm going to get them. Okay, this is this 1 can of peanuts. You know how happy somebody will be in an emergency situation with one of these can of peanuts. One. And you know what, I'm gonna tell you this, peanut patch, it be salty. The juice and stuff be salty. Pull the water off, add your own water and use some seasonings, and you'll be fine. That's what I do. I pour the water off because it do be, but you gotta understand, part of that too is preserving it. Okay, when I was canning, I used a lot of salt or either a lot of sugar in most of those canning recipes, because, or vinegar if something was being pickled, because that is how a lot of it be preserved. Okay,
Prevents it from spoiling.
From botulism and all that type of stuff. So, you know, I would pay $2 for it, so that's why I wiped it out, because I know it's going to come in handy. Okay, you got anything else to say to them?
No, that's about. Put some more daggone cherries in these things.
Oh,
I know y'all watching. I know y'all watching.
You think Libby's coming watching?
I know they watching. You said their name.
Libby's?
Put some daggone cherries in these things. Stop playing with me, man.
Don't Libby's make Viennas too?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Small little thing. Give me the miniature Viennas talking about they the regular size.
No. They said they were regular size now. That's what they said. Okay.
Well, I need y'all to go 10 years back. redo the recipe.
They said rubbish. You with the nonsense. You said return to sender. Alright, y'all, so with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and end this video right here. We are tired, and we have batched film tonight early mornings of the next day. So that's why you see us in the same clothes and stuff. You can tell our energy is like, my energy is like going shoo, like honey, it's 2-something in the morning. Okay, but with that being said, though, you see, we up, we grinding, we doing what we gotta do. Go out, get this stuff amongst all this craziness going on. Come home, wee hours of the morning filming. Make sure y'all share the video. Share the video. It helps us out, it helps the channel out, and it also helps getting the video out to people that may need this. People that not thinking about prepping.
For those that's paying attention to what's going on down there in Washington D.C. at that high colored house, and some of the policies they putting out there, these are things you can still purchase using certain programs. I say it that way, and if you're paying attention, you understand it. But that's a whole nother video that I'm sure my love will get into. But
we're gonna try to do more live screens. I'm gonna see if he do more live screens, because he can explain that stuff a lot better. And then get y'all a video a day. So we'll definitely probably do a live screen. That live stream may be before this video even come out. But I'm playing around with how often putting up a video, when to put up a video. When I say I'm putting up a video at 7 or 8 a.m., I notice the algorithm don't push me that much, so y'all not getting notifications. I tried that a couple days ago, okay? But I notice when I do it at another time that's like later in the day or in the evening, it seems like for my channel, most of y'all are on the, you know, getting off work or whatnot or watching it. I don't have one of them channels what time they put up something, everybody stop what they doing and just go watch it, okay? So I have to look at my analytics, huh? Oh Lord. I have to look at what my analytics is saying, okay? And go that way. And then also look at what y'all are saying when y'all are watching the videos, maybe when you have time to watch them, okay? So we're gonna try to do a live stream during the day, and I get y'all the videos out at 6 p.m. I'm doing 6 p.m. 6 p.m. in the evening, and it'll probably just stick that way. So guys, say the same. We're trying to do live stream during the day, okay? Well, we'll talk about some of this stuff like he was just going, and then I thought give y'all the video in the evening, okay? So with that being said, y'all, you ain't got nothing else to say?
Okay.
So with that being said, y'all, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you be notified each and every time that we upload a video. And I will see y'all, well, we will see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Y'all be safe, okay? Until next time. Mwah. Love y'all. Peace. Did we get a thumbnail? I don't think we did. Not with this. Alright, let me go. Alright, I don't know how that was gonna come out, but hey. Alright, y'all. We'll talk later.
Be humble.
If it's God's will. You said be humble. Be humble. Bye, y'all.